house for Covina High School. Got our props over there set up. Got our 360 manual booth. And I set up 3 of my lights, one on my arm, which is pretty convenient. So it looks really nice when they're on the photo booth. I got my battery pack connected here, connecting my GoPro. So I have that constant charge. I'll have to change out batteries. Got my LED lights, wireless, and remote activated. Super convenient. Turn that back on just in case somebody else comes. All right, and we have our travel case here. I'm using this as like my little portable station. Got the sharing station going on right here. Got the red rope stanchions. And this is how I organize this. You click on galleries, take a look at some of the videos. They can email, text, QR code, airdrop, or WhatsApp it directly to themselves. So that way there's no waiting in line or anything like that. So that's it. I am using a 27-inch, so super small, lightweight. As you can see here, it's literally on wheels. So I can set this up by myself. In this case, I had my partner here with me, so it was super easy. Probably like a 10-minute setup total with my props and everything. All of my props I got from Yo Props. Thank you, Yo Props. I love my props. Best quality and the most diverse. Love it. There we go. That's all we got here for you guys today. Our 27-inch, our 3 LED lights, our stanchions, some props, and our sharing station with our travel case over there. Look at all of these people over here. Yeah. Stay still. 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Thank you guys. Go ahead and take a step down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very nice. All on a 27-inch with the GoPro.